6,000 feet over Pennsylvania, Southwest Flight 1380 has lost its left engine and suffered a rapid decompression.
Is everyone else still in their seats strapped down?
Everybody is still in their seats.
But now, the pilots face another terrifying problem.
We've tried to help get her in. I don't know what her situation is.
The window is completely out.
Passengers are still struggling to pull Dženifer Riordan inside the cabin.
We were pulling with everything we had. We weren't getting anywhere.
The big factor for the passengers was that they went into very high energy air. It's a 300+ mile an hour wind. They would be subjected to brutal forces.
Slow it down to 210 knots right now.
In the cockpit, First Officer Ellisor has thought of a way he can help with Riordan's rescue.
I turned to Tammy Jo and I said we needed to slow down to 210 knots. And I knew that the speed of the aircraft was actually the thing that was preventing the people in the back from getting that passenger back in the plane.
We got her! We got her!
First Officer Ellisor's hunch pays off. The slower speed allows rescuers to pull the passenger back in.